2018 Jeep Compass, a classy SUV. When Jeep launched the Compass, we praised its styling and the direction the off-road brand was taking by replacing two old vehicles with one. The 2017 Jeep Compass is by far better than its predecessors, but a gutless engine leaves us with a desire for more. Our two testers, in Trailhawk and Limited trims, featured a 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine generating 180 horsepower and 175 pounds-feet of torque and mated to a 9-speed ZF transmission. Every judge complained about the Compass' slow, hesitant acceleration, which Alisa Priddle characterized as loud and painful, suggesting the Tigershark engine is struggling to deliver. And the lackluster build quality, such as the yawning panel gaps and cheap interior plastics, was inexcusable. But off the pavement, most of the judges enjoyed driving the Trailhawk model. "This vehicle is very impressive in the sand," Frank Marcus said. "I only tried the sand mode, which locks the four-wheel drive, maintains lower gears, and turns off traction control. It never spun a tire." Sand might be easy to tackle for this Jeep, but most of the judges noted rattles when driving over ruts. On the gravel road, Belgian blocks, it creaked like my old body, and the split rear seat rattled, especially with rear armrest down and no passengers, Gordon Dickey said. The Compass looks attractive and is capable on the sand, but its poor powertrain and lack of refinement kept it from gaining entrance into the finalist round.